Getting ready for qualifying here in my brand new Polaris Turbo R. Really excited. Going to be going for a good spot, of course. But it's gnarly out there. The qualifying course they always set up has some gnarly sections. So going to try and get through it clean and fast and see where we end up for race day.
Full send every day, so it's going to be a wild race. There's no other race like this.
My favorite part of this King of the Hammers course is just how crazy it is. I think we got 10 more rock trails than we had last year, and I would say it's 10 times harder than last year. So definitely going to be a battle for survival, but I know all the boys up front are going to be absolutely sending it.
They started out on motorcycles, and but I wouldn't allow them to race the motorcycles because I said you have to be in a roll cage with 5 car high.
She brings them here. I just showed up.
This year they threw us for a loop at King of the Hammers with Turkey Claw right off the bat. Got into the rock canyon at race mile 2. So luckily we qualified good, got through there up front, and I actually made a pass right off the bat in Turkey Claw. So me and my co-dog were fired up. We're like, we got the rocks down, we got the rocks. Made it up through out of Turkey Claw, kept the whole loop going, and then after lap 2, I assumed there was gonna be pure cars in there from lap 1, but everyone made it through. In the rocks you gotta slow down, you gotta calm down, you gotta just kind of pick your way through, but to have that obstacle right off the bat when your energy is going was pretty insane.
Chocolate Thunder, that's another good one. The nerves are definitely on if you want to hit that perfect line and get up. And today we just sent it, went for it, and that was awesome. From there, it was an awesome race in the Polaris RZR Turbo R. To come across the finish line for this race is huge. You know, we'll be back next year.
Chocolate Thunder was epic. I think what made it so cool is we never got to pre-run. On race day, we just came up to it and we're like, I think we're doing the left line. We came in with some speed instead of going slow and just bounced right up the top. Like, before we knew it, we're at the top. We're like, oh, that was easy.
We just put our heads down and took it one rock section at a time. We never had to winch anything, and the 2 spots that we were a little bit nervous about, we just hit them. We didn't even slow down, we just hit them, and whatever happened, happened. So I was glad I'm able to bring this Polaris Turbo R to the finish line, and hopefully we'll see where we end up.
Luckily we were able to figure it out today. We just kept the thing moving all day long. 4th overall, first in class is absolutely insane for a rookie. So I had some fast company all around me, and I couldn't be more stoked to pull it off.